Gin lovers, you've heard of the Aviation Cocktail. Today on Let's Talk Drinks, I'm going to show you how to make one. Stay tuned. The Aviation Cocktail, it is a classic cocktail that most bartenders should know because it's pretty popular here at the 18th Amendment Bar as well as everywhere around the world. It was created by Hugo Ensslin in 1916. It was in his cocktail book Recipes for Mixed Drinks, and it was brought out at a time where during World War II, a lot of the aviators were doing heroic things like flying past and dropping grenades into enemy bunkers and stuff like that. And apart from that, it's a really good drink. So the first ingredient that it calls for is 45 mils of a dry gin. I'm going to use the Anther Dry. It's made here in Geelong. It is Geelong's best gin. For all my viewers that are international, not here in Australia, use a really good quality London Dry style if not. Next up, 15 mils of a maraschino liqueur. I'm using the Luxardo. Next up, 15 mils of a Creme de Violet. This one here is the Tempest Fugit. What a beautiful colour too. And last but not least, 15 mils of fresh lemon juice that I squeezed previously. Add some ice and give it a shake. We're going to double strain into a chilled Angie Camorra glass, or you can use just any type of cocktail glass. For my garnish, I'm going to use a Luxardo maraschino cherry. That's the Aviation, and let's give it a try. Look at that beautiful colour. Yeah, it's bright, it's floral. The maraschino, and I know I've said it before, I'm not a massive fan of maraschino liqueur, but in drinks like the Aviation and the Last Word, it's just really, really well balanced. And these drinks are actually making me like maraschino liqueur even more. It's not something that I've drank a lot of, but I can see why it's so popular, and I think I'm going to order more of them. That Creme de Violet's awesome, by the way. I've tried a few different brands, but that's my favourite so far in an Aviation. Guys, please like, subscribe. Do you have a gin cocktail that you want me to do a video of? Do you hate what I do? Whatever, give us a bit of a comment. Recently I was told that my tattoos are horrible and distracting and they look like his 5-year-old son's painted arms. I'm really sorry, I like my tattoos. I'm going to get more of them. You can unsubscribe too if you don't like what I do, but I'm just here to have a bit of fun and pass on a bit of knowledge. Guys, peace, love. We're in COVID times. We don't need hate. We need plenty of love and cocktails. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.